Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chris, and I'm so damn excited today. I went to an antique store and I found this beauty right here. This is I believe the year is 1929 for this bad boy. It is a medium format Bellows pull-out camera, I think it's called. And it's in very good shape. In very good condition for being a camera from the 1920s, 1930s. So I just want to show you how it operates. This lever, you don't have to, but I go ahead and pull it out. And what you do, trying to keep all this in focus, is you hit this little button right here and it releases it. And then it opens up and the camera comes out. And then you can stand it up like so. As you can see, the bellows are excellent condition. And I mean excellent condition. This camera was most likely put away for 50 years or so. But this thing is absolutely amazing. It is in great condition. And it's real simple. I think it's an F14. And what you do, it has two settings. It has instant, which it is on right now. No. All right, so now it is on instant. Okay, and what you do is you hit this lever right here and it takes the shot. Okay, and also it has a timed feature. You just turn this over. Now it's set to the timed feature. And what you do is you can also attach a cable to this, which keeps the camera from moving if you don't have a tripod or something. So what you do is you hit it once and it opens it up. And you see it doesn't retract all the way. So say you need to keep it open for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you click it again and it shuts it. So that right there is pretty cool. So that is how that works. And over here on each side, I just saw this, I was doing it differently. You push these in, try and keep it all in focus. You push these in and it goes ahead and closes it. And let me just see if I can get this to focus a little better here. Come on, focus, focus, focus. You focus for me? There we go. That's the best I can do for the focus. So if you guys can read that. AGFA PD 16 Readyset. I mean, it's a little dusty. I just need to clean it up, polish it up. But it is in immaculate shape. And right here, let me see if I can flip it around this way. And you can see all the information on it. Maybe. Maybe not. You might have to read it upside down because I just don't have the space. But anyway, what it says is AGFA PD16 Readyset use PD16 AGFA film made by AGFA Ansco Corporation in Binghamton, New York, USA. Now, with this camera, AGFA was bought out by Ansco, but they kept the name together for a little while before going completely to Ansco, if I read my history correctly. And also, before I forget, before I close this. This right here is your viewfinder. So you look from a pretty high level, and here we have the viewfinder right here. This is if you want to shoot it in portrait mode, you have it like this. Okay? And if you want to shoot landscape, what you do is you flip it over, and then you turn the camera, and there you have it in landscape mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up, do some more research on this, and try and find some film for it. And I'll show you the inside of it here in a second. Let me close this up. Okay, so the back opens up real simple. Let me zoom back here a little bit. Okay, so the backing, it's real simple. You just pull up and back, and it opens up. I mean, look at how clean that is. I mean, this is in amazing shape. And I'm going to use this at least a couple of times. So that's how you open it. And you can't really read it. Well, yes, you can actually. Right here it says 616 is the type of film that it takes, and that's no longer made, so it's hard to find it. But there's a way to adapt. I believe there's a way to adapt the 120 Kodak film to it. So I'm gonna have to look into that. But yeah, that's my AGFA camera, AGFA camera. Like I said, I mean, it's a great little camera. Come on, focus. 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 There we go. And yeah, it's a great little camera in excellent condition. And this right here, you open it while you're winding your film, so you don't expose the film. And you can, I don't know if you can tell, but it's red, so you don't expose the film. And then you close it back up. So I'll show you guys, whenever I get some film for this, I'll show you guys how I go ahead and load it up and take some shots, and I will show you the results. And by the way, this shoots 6:9 medium format stills. So that's that. We're going to check it out whenever I get my stuff. And yeah, I gotta go do some more research. And thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, let me know. I plan to go shopping for some more older cameras. I'd really like to get a large format. The guy that I spoke to that I bought this from, he owns an antique shop, and I gave him my business card and said, if you ever come across any large format cameras or any newer medium format cameras, to please give me a call and I will be right over. So I'm looking forward to using this plus any other cameras that that come along. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will talk to you guys next time. See ya.